Think some animals can't survive the impossible? Think again. Meet 10 creatures that laugh in the face of danger. Camel. Meet the camel, a desert survivor that can handle scorching heat in weeks without water. Its humps store fat, not water. Smart, tough, and calm under pressure. Cockatoo. Next, the cockatoo. Not just a pretty face, it can survive harsh heat and go without food for a while. This clever bird knows how to thrive where others struggle. Emperor penguin. The emperor penguin braves minus 60 degrees Celsius Antarctic winters. They huddle for warmth and endure starvation during long, frozen months. Cold? No problem. Arctic iceworm.
What the hell is even that?
Slithering through glaciers, the Arctic iceworm survives freezing temperatures that would kill most creatures. Tiny, icy, and tough as nails. Wood frog. This frog takes survival to the extreme. It can freeze solid in winter and thaw back to life in spring. Ice-cold revival, nature style. Brine shrimp. Brine shrimp can dry out completely and still hatch years later. Saltwater, drought, or dormancy, nothing stops them from bouncing back. Alligator. Alligators can survive cold and low oxygen by slowing their metabolism for months. They're patient predators, built for endurance. Cockroach. Cockroaches are legendary. They can survive radiation, starvation, and even live for a week without a head. The ultimate unwanted house guest.
Brother,
Tardigrade. The tardigrade, or water bear, is microscopic but practically indestructible. Vacuum of space, boiling heat, extreme radiation, bring it on.
Oh, what it is? Oh, DD, what it is?
Immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish might be the craziest of them all. When it gets old or injured, it can reset its life cycle and become young again, basically cheating death.